These receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities at Lorain County Regional.
Oh, that was my first alert on the 254. And I'd say my first required week of the test up here at my mom's house. But yeah, pretty fucking cool.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Willowick, Ohio, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles east of Avon Point, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Willowick and Cleveland. A special weather statement.
Literally the shortest fucking alert I think I've probably ever heard.
A strong thunderstorm will settle Lorain County through 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Wellington, or 9 miles southwest of Elyria. Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lake County in northeastern Ohio until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cleveland, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Willowick, Lakewood, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Willoughby, Eastlake, Highland Hills, Shaker Heights, South Euclid, Mayfield Heights, East Cleveland, Lyndhurst, University Heights, Wickliffe, Beechwood, Richmond Heights, Willoughby Hills, Highland Heights, and Pepper Pike. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m.
North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
In Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Lake. This is NOAA Weather Radio. Severe thunderstorm Springfield, Conneaut, Lakeshore, Geneva, Harttown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Ashtabula, Ohio, and Crawford, Pennsylvania.
I accidentally bent the antenna a little bit. Oops.